O2, the Oxygen V2, the natural way of parking. Professional ANPR solution for the world. O2 reads the plate number and check for the access permission, and grant or deny. O2 will control your existing or new gate barrier system based on the permissions given. Gated community. Hotels. Paid parking. Airports. Shopping centers. Oil fields. Government and military installations. Corporate offices. High security areas. Access point gate or barrier. Camera automatically detects the vehicle and reads the license plate. Incoming data can be verified at this point and confirms the access permission based on the data. System will grant the access or deny the access. Full and detailed reports can be accessed from anywhere: plate number, country of origin, state, plate color, plate text color, graphical reports and lot more. Single screen full-featured software. For more information call us 0425048880.